Good morning mga katropang Shimian. Meron na naman tayong na-discover na isang gadget na very useful sa mga surgeons, especially yung madaling pagpawisan because of the stress of surgery at syempre medyo mainit ang operating room. Pag medyo mainit ang operating room, very very useful po ito. Found it. It's a Sony Rion 6. It's a portable air condition. Lalagay mo lang sa likod mo. And you can control it with your smartphone. Tingnan natin anong sasabihin niya ngayon. So, maybe set natin siya sa cold. Diba? So, cold temperature dapat. So, yan. Yan siya. Smart cool. Set niyo siya smart cool. At I guarantee, very, very satisfying at hindi ka very comfortable on your part. Hindi ka pagpapawisan kahit gaano pa katagal ang iyong surgery. Okay? So, highly recommended. 5 stars.